Alright, so to replace one of these push door handles, this is what the inside looks like. Underneath this clip right here is a spring that holds it into place from here all the way to here. Okay, so this is how they normally come standard left-handed door. So pretty much it's a pull open instead of a push open. This door right here is push open. So when you push the lever, which is this thing right here that's connected into here like this, instead of pulling it, it's a push. So it comes as a left-handed cylinder. So what you do to make it right is you open up all this right here, and then you get this part right here. You take a little Allen wrench, and it's already preset, so you're going to take this one and put it over into this hole right here. And instead of it going down this way for a left-handed door, then you're going to swing it over here to this way to be a right-handed door. And instead of this being on this side, you're going to flip it, and it's going to go onto this side. And then you put your two springs in your here, and then you're going to put the plate into place. Once that's done, then you'll be ready to install the new door handle. Now, this part right here slides into this. You gotta also make sure you take off this little black clip right here. See the R? That's for right-handed door swings. If you was to flip this over, it'll say L for left-handed spring doors. So once again, recap, it comes as a left-handed universal to right. So what you're going to do is flip it after you take off the clip, and you're good to go.